Hey guys, so today I'm working on adding power to my camper when it's here at home. So I want to put in about a 30 or 40 amp circuit because currently we're running two 15 amp circuits and that's not enough. So I think if we put in 30 or 40 amps, it should be fine. So I'm going to put a power over there to where that pole is. You see that white line is where the cord's going to be buried. It'll be direct bury wire. It'll come around the shop here and tie into this existing panel that I use for my welder. So I got plenty of power here. I'll just put a 30 or 40 amp breaker. I'll use direct bury wire, and I gotta drill through this. There's a 2x6 under it, so I gotta get through that, drop down here. I've already got this access panel cut out. It's gonna go down through this hole, and then it'll run outside. So this is the wire I'm using. That's 8-3 direct bury wire. So yeah, I gotta avoid all the stuff. There's power and water to the barn here, video cables. That's the main power to the panel right there. I can't hit any of that stuff. But basically it's gonna come out of there just like that, go into the ground, and right over there to that pole, and then I'll mount a box that I can just plug the camper into just like you're at a park. Alright, so let's get started. So I got my wire pulled up through the wall, got it into the panel here. Got a 30 amp breaker in there for starters. See how that goes. So I got to hook up my L1, L2, the ground, and the common. Let's get that. Okay, this side is wired up, ready to go. Put this cover up in here, like so. There we go. Let's go take a look outside. Alright, there it is. So, got it coming out the bottom, in conduit, and then it's direct bury. So now I just got to dig a ditch, miss all the important stuff, and get over to there. And then when I get over there, I got this box to go in it. That'll just go on a post. Alright, let's get going. Alright, so I've made some progress in digging. Missed the sprinkler wires and the main power. Missed the video cable. And we're all the way over to here. The next thing is okay, so I got the wire in there like so, but now I'm going to add, I decided, hey, I'm right here, might as well run over here to the water, put a water line down in here, same trench, and I'll have power and water over there. Sweet. Okay, so I've got this end tied up, and I've got a shutoff valve there so I can turn it on or off. So I got it drops down over this footer, concrete footer has to drop down into the ditch there. Comes over here with the power. I'll probably have it about 6 inches over the top of the power line. I'll put some tape in here. But I'm good over to here. Just got to find this water power, get around that, dig the ditch over to there. Okay, so it comes around, direct bury, up into this conduit, into the back of the box, and it's tied up here. Alright, so let's get this mounted. Okay, so I'm going to turn on the 30 amp breaker, and if there's any problems it should break. Oh, that's good. Good sign. $244. Alright, so before I go ahead and plug this into the camper and mess everything up, I thought I'd go ahead and use my power watchdog. So it'll check for voltage errors and current problems and switched lines, whatever. It's got all this stuff it checks for. You can see that. So I'm going to plug this in first, and hopefully that'll protect against any screw-ups. Got here. And I got the sink running. Looks good. Everything seems to be working. Try this sink in the bathroom. Nice. Alright, everything's working. Both air conditioners, all the lights, refrigerator. Everything's working great. This should be plenty of power. We can camp out here all we want. There's power and water hooked up. Everything seems to be working great. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.